Hi friends, it's Wednesday. This is Math Lesson 3 and starting on page 501. And before you do this lesson, you might want to get mom or dad to help you cut out a piece of paper that would be about the size of one of these cubes. If you can't, that's fine. We'll walk through the lesson together, but if you want to have a pretend cube, I have my pretend cube right here. All right, this is problem solving. We're going to be guessing, checking, and revising if we need to, which means you're going to change your answer if you need to, but we're going to work through this together. We're comparing objects. This one says, how long? So they want you to look at those two xylophones, and it says trace the circle around the object that is longer, and you can see they have already shown you which one is longer. So trace that circle. And it says, guess how many cubes long you think this. Just guess. You don't even have to use your pretend cube, but just guess in your mind. If this is 1, 2, 3 long, how many more do you think you could clip onto that and get to the end of that? I'm thinking about 5. So it says write the number of your guess. This is the word guess. Okay, I'm guessing it's 5 cubes long. Now what it wants you to do is, if we had cubes at school, we would put those cubes together. That would be 1 more cube, 2 more cubes, and yes, it is 5 cubes. And you can see down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the check. Yes, it was 5 cubes long. So we're just going to trace over that number 5. We can practice making our 5s. So this one was longer, and we were right. We guessed that it was 5, and it was actually 5. All right, let's turn the page. All right, here we go. It says, how long are these Slinkies? Okay, we know this Slinky is 3 cubes long. So just guess how many more Slinkies you think this would be. How many more Slinkies do you think that would be? My goodness, the washer is very loud. Sorry about that. All right, so we are guessing. Let's see. I'm going to say 6. You can guess what you want to guess. You know it's not going to be 2, and you know it's not going to be 4. So maybe it's 5 or 6. I don't know, but I guessed 6. So here's my little square that's pretending to be my cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 6 cubes long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was 6 cubes long, and we guessed correctly. I'm sorry, this is kind of a hard concept without our cubes, but the one thing you can do is circle the object that is definitely longer, and we know that this one is definitely longer. All right, we're going to do another pretend here. And this is, oh how cute, the little Dachshunds. All right, so let's look at the Dachshunds, and they're going from tail to the tip of the Dachshund's nose. So first let's circle the longer one. We know this little friend is 3 cubes long. We know this one is longer than 3. How much longer than 3? What are you going to guess? Put your guess here. Do you think it's 4? Do you think it's 5? I'm going to say 4. All right, now we're going to take my pretend cube. 1, 2, 3. It's about 4. I think it's about just a little more than 4. So I'm going to say 4. So we got that correct. And then you're going to draw 4 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to make them the same size. And we got that right. The bottom dachshund is longer than the top dachshund. All right, let's turn the page. Oh, wow. This is going to be hard to guess. Whew. Okay, we see 2 jets. First of all, circle the longer one. Wow, it's really long. Now, in your mind, just kind of guess what you think. Do you think it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Make a guess. I'm going to guess really high. I'm going to say 10. I think I'm kind of wrong, but I'll show you what we're going to do because we said revise and we never have done that. So now we're going to check how long our jet is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and look at that, I'm right there, right? Really, really close. I think it's 7. So we're going to say it's 7 blocks long. Uh-oh, I missed it. So I would need to revise and say it's really 7. And then we could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're guessing, we're making an estimate, and then we're measuring with our cubes, and we're seeing if our guess checks out. So very good problem solving on this page. And I will see you tomorrow on Thursday with a little check my progress page. All right, good job, bye-bye.